Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 7D from chapter Ratio and Proportion. So coming to question number 13. If 4a plus 9b into 4c minus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b into 4c plus 9d, prove that a is to b is equal to c is to d. You need to prove that a upon b is equal to c upon d, that is they are in proportion. And this is the given information. So let us write down the given first. So 4a plus 9b into 4c minus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b into 4c plus 9d. ये given है. There is ab over here and cd. So what you will do in such a case? AB on one side and CD on the other side. ठीक है? So always keep the plus sign वाला in numerator and negative वाला in denominator. Okay, so 4a plus 9b will keep in numerator and 4a minus 9b will shift over here, so it will go in denominator. ठीक है? And ये this will keep as it is and this will shift, so it will go in denominator. Okay, so 4a plus 9b upon 4a minus 9b, and keeping this as it is, 4c plus 9d upon 4c minus 9d. Okay, now same terms and plus and minus, so which property you can apply? Componendo dividendo. Okay, so componendo dividendo states numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So it will take place simultaneously in both LHS and RHS. ठीक है, so applying componendo dividendo, by componendo dividendo, numerator plus denominator, so 4a plus 9b plus 4a minus 9b upon numerator minus denominator, so 4a plus 9b minus 4a minus 9b. Please put brackets because the signs will change. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी simultaneously same thing, numerator plus denominator, so 4c plus 9d plus 4c minus 9d upon 4c plus 9d minus 4c minus 9d. Okay, opening the brackets now, 4a plus 9b plus 4a minus 9b upon 4a plus 9b minus 4a plus 9b. The signs will change over here. Okay, 9b cancel हो गया, 4a cancel हो गया. Okay, over here 4c plus 9d plus 4c minus 9d upon 4c plus 9d minus 4c plus 9d. Signs will change. 4c cancel, 9d cancel. 4a plus 4a gives 8a, 9b plus 9b gives 18b, 4c plus 4c 8c and 9d plus 9d 18d. Okay, 8 upon 18, I can cancel on both the sides. ठीक है, so it will be a upon b equal to c upon d. From this only you will get, it is like 8 upon 18 into a upon b is equal to 8 upon 18 into c upon d. ये cancel कर दिया, so you are left with a upon b equal to c upon d. So it will be a upon b. Alright, so we proved this. After this you can add this step, alright, for your understanding, or directly you can write this, and after this you need to write in is to form. यहाँ पे final में कैसे दिया हुआ है वैसे ही लिखना है. So after this on the next line you'll write a is to b is equal to c is to d. Don't box this, instead box this. ठीक है, and after this write down hence proved. Alright, moving on to next question, question number 14. if a upon b is equal to c upon d, show that a plus b is to c plus d is equal to square root of a square plus b square is to square root of c square plus d square. Again, there are two methods applicable over here. One is using property and other is K method. But I will suggest here K method, ठीक है, because here squares is there, square root is there, so and it is not even mentioned that you have to use the property. So I will suggest कि K method use करो यहाँ पे. It will be easier to solve. So we'll use both the methods, whichever you find easy you can use that. Okay. First I'll start with K method over here. This is the given information. Okay. So A upon B is equal to C upon D. ये given है. All right. Now we need to prove this. So first we'll consider LHS. Okay. For proving sums, always write down the given information, then to prove, and then start with the proof. Always. So for previous sum also, all the sums that we have done so far, for all the sums, please write down the given, then to prove, and then start with the solution. Okay. So this is the given information. Now we'll take this equal to K. ठीक है. So let A upon B equal to C upon D be equal to K. So each ratio is equal to K. So therefore A upon B is also equal to K and C upon D is also equal to K. So therefore A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. Now we'll substitute the values of A and C in LHS and RHS. Okay, you should get same. So LHS पहले consider करते हैं. LHS is A plus B is to means upon. So upon C plus D. A is what? BK. B is B only. C is DK and D is D only. B common ले सकते हैं. So let us take B common. You are left with K plus your nothing. So 1. And over here taking D common. K plus nothing over here. So 1. K plus 1 पूरा bracket cancel हो गया. You cannot cancel out K and 1. That is not allowed. Okay. There is plus sign in between. So whenever there is plus or minus sign in between, you cannot cancel out the terms. So this you can cancel out because यहाँ पे बीच में into sign है. Okay. B into K plus 1, D into K plus 1. You are left with B upon D. Write this down and on next line. Okay. Solve vertically. Mark this as 1. Now we'll consider RHS. So RHS is A square plus B square is to means upon root of C square plus D square. So A is BK. BK लिखो, put brackets and then square. Okay. Plus B square under root and your DK the whole का square plus D square. This will be B square K square plus B square upon D square K square plus D square. Okay. Now this is under square root, this is under square root. So I can take common square root. Whenever you have square root of something upon square root of something, you can take common square root. ठीक है. If you have square root of 2 upon square root of 3, you can take square root of 2 upon 3. Like this you can write. For division multiplication you can take common root. Or if you have square root of 2 into square root of 3, you can write it like this, 2 into 3. Okay. So basic law of indices है ये. Okay. So common square root ले सकते हैं हम लोग. All right. So यहाँ पे we can take common square root. You could have taken it earlier only. Okay. So taking common square root, B square K square plus B square upon D square K square plus D square. And also you cannot take this outside root because there is plus sign in between. Alright. So जब भी plus या minus sign है, you cannot take square root and take it outside. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay. So over here I can take B square common and in bracket K square and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, so 1. Same thing over here, D square common, nothing is left over here, so 1. I can cancel this out. Alright, so you're left with square root of B square upon D square. Now I can take square root. Why? Because there is no plus minus sign in between. कोई भी प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं है, देर इज ओनली डिविजन साइन. सो फॉर डिविजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू कैन टेक स्क्वायर रूट. सो बी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी बी, एंड डी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट डी. सो इट विल बी बी अपॉन डी. सो फर्स्ट में भी हम लोग को वही मिला था, मार्क दिस एज 2. Alright, you will solve vertically, students. I don't have space, so I have solved it like this. So you are getting b upon d. Mark this as 2. After this, you will write down from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, this is equal to this. Hence, proved. Always complete the proof properly. Okay. So always end it with hence proved. And final हमेशा लिखो, जो भी proof किया है उसको लिखो. Write down the complete LHS, write down the complete RHS. Now we'll use the property method. So coming to the second method, that is using the properties. The given information is A upon B is equal to C upon D. So for applying the property, we need numerator and denominator on both the sides. We have that. Now check prove क्या करना है. LHS में क्या है? LHS में we have A plus B upon C plus D. So there is no minus sign. Minus sign कहीं भी नहीं दिख रहा है, neither in LHS nor in RHS. So you don't have to use componendo dividendo. You'll use only componendo because there is only plus sign. ठीक है, only plus sign है. So we'll use componendo on both the sides. So by componendo, what is componendo, students? It is numerator plus denominator upon denominator. So it will be A plus B upon B, and यहाँ पे C plus D upon D. All right. Now we have A plus B, C plus D. We need A plus B upon C plus D. So let's shift C plus D over here and B over here. ठीक है? We will interchange these two. So whenever you interchange first, second, third, fourth, so second and third terms जब हम लोग interchange करते हैं, it is nothing but alternando. Okay, so you are using property of alternando. By alternando, A plus B upon C plus D is equal to B upon D. This will go in numerator, this will go in denominator. ठीक है? So we are getting A plus B upon C plus D equal to B upon D. Mark this as 1. ठीक है? So this is what we got. Now we need to check the RHS. So how will we obtain the RHS? Let us see. स्क्वायर रूट बाद में देखते हैं, पहले अंदर का टर्म्स देखते हैं. There is A square, B square, C square, D square. We are given only A, B, C, D. So what we can do is we'll square the terms. Okay, we'll square on both the sides, so it will become A square upon B square equal to C square upon D square. All right. So first what we did, LHS check किया. Okay, LHS में we have A plus B upon C plus D. There is no minus sign, so we'll use only componendo. Okay, so by componendo, numerator plus denominator upon denominator, same thing in RHS. Now we'll check again. What do we need? We need A plus B upon C plus D. So we'll shift C plus D over here and this over here by alternando. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Now let us check RHS कैसे obtain करना है. So after this, again write down A upon B is equal to C upon D. We'll square on both the sides because we need A square, B square, C square, D square. So A square upon B square is equal to C square upon D square. Squaring on both the sides. You have to give reason. ठीक है? Whenever you are squaring, taking square root, cubing, taking cube root, you have to give reason. So ये मिल गया. Now what do I need? I need A square plus B square, C square plus D square. Numerator plus denominator, numerator plus denominator. So which property? Componendo. So by componendo, A square plus B square upon D square न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर. सेम थिंग यहाँ पे सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर अपॉन डी स्क्वायर. नाउ आई नीड सी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर इज 2 है. ओके, so we'll just shift this over here and this over here. So we are interchanging second and third quantity, therefore it is alternando. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. So second and third को जब interchange करते हैं it is alternando. By alternando what we will get? A square plus b square upon c square plus d square is equal to b square upon d square. Now we are quite close. What do we need? We need square root. So let's take square root on both the sides. So square root of a square plus b square. You'll take square root of everything. ठीक है? Numerator का square root, denominator का square root, इसका square root, इसका square root. When you're taking square root, everything का square root हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Or what you can do is put a common square root of entire LHS and entire RHS to avoid any confusion. ठीक है? So a square plus b square upon c square plus d square and यहाँ पे square root of b square upon d square. Alright. Now I can just separate the square root now. Individual लिख सकते हैं. I need individual square root over here. So we'll just split this a square plus b square upon square root of c square plus d square. And here I can take b square का square root, it will be b, and d square का square root, it will be d, because there is no plus or minus sign in between. So I can take square root, b square का square root b हो जाएगा, d square का square root d हो जाएगा. So I got b upon d. Here also I am getting b upon d. So I can say from 1 and 2 this is equal to this, because RHS is same, so LHS will be same. So from, you write down after this, from 1 and 2 a plus b upon c plus d is equal to square root of a square plus b square upon square root of c square plus d square. After this you write down hence root. Okay, so it again, property is not that tough, but K method over here would be easier. Next question, question number 15. There are 36 members in a student council in a school and the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 3:1. How many more girls should be added to the council so that the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls may be 9:5? Very easy question. There is a council, okay, and there are certain number of boys, certain number of girls. ठीक है? So total there are 36 members, and out of this some are boys and rest are girls. All right, so number of boys plus number of girls is equal to total 36. Now they have told that 36 members in a student council in a school and ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is 3:1. So ratio of number of boys is to number of girls is equal to 3:1, that is 3/1. So go in correct order, students. First they have mentioned number of boys and then the number of girls. So boys will be in numerator, girls in denominator. ठीक है? करेक्ट ऑर्डर में रेशियो लिखना है, अदरवाइज योर आंसर विल कम आउट रॉन्ग. सो फर्स्ट बॉयज देन गर्ल्स एंड रेशियो इज 3:1. सो फर्स्ट 3 लिखा है, 3 न्यूमरेटर देन 1. ओके, सो दिस इज द रेशियो. नाउ वी नो दैट बॉयज आर नॉट 3 एंड गर्ल इज नॉट 1. सो देर इज 3 into some common factor, 1 into some common factor. What is that common factor? We don't know. So let's say x is the common factor. So number of boys will be 3x and girls will be 1x, है ना? So boys is 3x and girls is 1x, that is x only. ठीक है? So this plus this is equal to 36, right? So 3x plus x is equal to 36. So I can say 4x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 9, है ना? So easily I can find out how many boys are there, how many girls are there. Boys will be 3 into 9, 27, and girls will be 9, 1 into 9. ठीक है. So that is how we are getting 3:1. ठीक है. Now there is one more part of the question. How many more girls should be added to the council so that the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls may be 9:5? So council में there are 36 members. We need to add more girls to the council. ठीक है. More girls are added in the council. So boys उतना ही रहेगा. ठीक है. Boys are 27 only. उतना ही है. So boys will remain as it is only 27. Girls you are adding. So girls 9 है. So 9 plus something. Let's say a number of girls are added. You can take any other variable. You can take y, z, p, q, anything. Okay. X already use कर लिया, so you cannot take x again. So let's say a number of girls are added to the council. ठीक है. So ratio of number of boys to the number of girls, that is number of boys is 27 to the number of girls. Now the number of girls will be 9 plus a. It is not 9 anymore. You are adding more girls. So और add हो गए हैं. So the ratio will be 27 upon 9 plus a, and it will be 9:5. So this is equal to 9/5. ठीक है. Solving this, you will get the value of a, and once you get the value of a, you will come to know how many more girls are required to be added to the council. ठीक है. So very easy. I'll repeat. Total number of council members are given. Out of that, some are boys, some are girls. ठीक है. Boys and girls का ratio कितना दिया है? 3:1. So common factor, we'll assume it to be x. So there are 3x boys and 1x girls. That is x number of girls. Now we know that number of boys plus number of girls is equal to total number of council members. So 3x plus x is equal to 36. Solving this, you will get the value of x. एक बार x का value मिल गया, you will come to know how many boys are there, how many girls are there. We got this. But we need to add more girls to the council. So this boys, number of boys is to number of girls will be 9 plus a. Boys will remain as it is. उतने ही number के boys हैं. Girls will increase. So it will be 9 plus a, and ratio, new ratio will be equal to 9:5. So it will be 9/5. You just need to solve and find out the value of a, that is the number of girls to be added to the council. Forward problem statements are very, very important. First, we'll write down the given information, that is there are 36 council members. So total number of council members is 36. Now the ratio of number of boys is to number of girls is given. So the ratio of number of boys is to number of girls is 3:1. We'll assume x to be the common factor. So number of boys is to number of girls will be 3x upon 1x multiplying by the common factor. So number of boys is 3x, number of girls is 1x, that is x. Okay. Now we know number of boys plus number of girls is equal to total number of council members. So 3x plus x is equal to 36. On solving, you will get x ka value. It is 9. Now you will get the number of boys and number of girls. How many boys and how many girls are there? So boys are 27 and girls are 9. ठीक है. Now a number of girls are added to the group because we don't know how many girls are added to the council. So we are assuming let a number of more girls be added. Already 9 है, but more number of girls are added. How many? We need to find that. So let's say a है. Okay. So now the ratio will be number of boys is to number of girls का ratio कितना हो जाएगा? 27 is to 9 plus a because more girls are added. A more girls are added. ठीक है. So we are already given in the question that the ratio of number of boys is to number of girls now will be 9:5. New ratio is 9:5, and we are getting this. So we can say this ratio is equal to this ratio. ठीक है. So 27 upon 9 plus a is equal to 9/5. We'll solve this and find out the value of a. So 27 into cross multiplying 27 into 5 is equal to 9 into 9 plus a. ठीक है. Shifting 9 over here, 27 into 5 upon 9 is equal to 9 plus a. 9 3s are. So 3 5s are 15 is equal to 9 plus a. Shifting 9 over here, 15 minus 9 is equal to a. So 6 हो जाएगा. A is equal to 6. So 6 more girls are added to the council. So write down. The final statement is very very important. 6 more girls are added to the council. How can you cross check if your answer is correct or not? यहाँ पे substitute करो. न्यू रेशियो क्या था? नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इज 27, नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स विल बी 9 प्लस 6 दैट इज 15. ठीक है. सो आई कैन कैंसिल आउट बाई 3. बोथ द नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाई 3. 3 9s are 3 5s are. So I am getting 9/5 as the ratio. So your answer is correct. ठीक है. So always cross check once whether you are getting correct ratio or not, and don't forget the final statement. Let's read the next question. Question number 16. If 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y, find the value of x is to y. Hence use componendo and dividendo to find the values of first part 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y. Second part 3x square plus 2y square upon 3x square minus 2y square. You're given this. So always write down the given first. Alright. So given is 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y. What do you need to find first? First you need to find the value of x is to y, that is x upon y. X upon y find out करना है. Okay. From this you can easily find out. Let us group x on one side and y on the other side. ठीक है. So shifting this over here and this over here. So 7x minus 4x gives 3x and here we'll get 16y. Now I need to find x upon y. So x I'll keep as it is. I'll shift y over here and numbers on the other side. 16 as it is and shifting 3 over here. So x as it is रहेगा, shifting y, and 16 as it is, shifting 3, it will go in denominator. So x upon y is equal to 16 upon 3. So that is x is to y is equal to 16 is to 3. Box this. Okay. Now we'll come to the first part of the question. You need to use property componendo dividendo. It is already given also in the question. Use componendo dividendo. Check the terms. 9x 9x, 5y 5y. ओके. सो मुझे x के साथ क्या चाहिए? x के साथ मुझे 9 चाहिए एंड y के साथ 5 चाहिए. ठीक है. सो आई हैव दिस x upon y equal to 16 upon 3. With x I need 9 and with y I need 5. So I need to multiply by 9 upon 5. I cannot just multiply in LHS. I need to multiply simultaneously in RHS also. दोनों जगह पे same operations. So यहाँ पे if you are multiplying by 9 upon 5, here also you need to multiply by 9 upon 5. Okay. So what we will get? 9x upon 5y is equal to 16 into 9. Here you can cancel out actually. So 16 3s are 48 upon 5. This is what we'll get. Okay. So this is what we are getting. Now we'll apply the property. 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y. So it will be numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So using componendo dividendo. Okay. So by componendo dividendo, 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y. Same thing over here. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So 48 plus 5 upon 48 minus 5. Okay. So let us solve this properly with proper steps and proper reasoning. So we have x upon y equal to 16 upon 3. This is what we got. Now x के साथ 9 चाहिए, y के साथ 5 चाहिए. So I need to multiply by 9 upon 5. So we'll multiply by 9 upon 5 on both the sides. So multiplying by 9/5 on both the sides. ठीक है, so it will be 9/5 into x upon y and 9/5 into 16/3. So it will be 9x upon 5y and here cancelling 3 3s are, so 3 16s are 48/5. Now applying componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo, I'm not writing the full thing, you have to write down full reason. ठीक है, by componendo dividendo, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Same thing, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y will be equal to 48 plus 5 will give 53 and 48 minus 5 43. So the value of 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y is 53 is to 43. Box this. First part मिल गया. Similarly you solve the second part. Coming to the second part of the question, you have 3x square 2y square 2y square and plus and minus sign, so you have to use componendo dividendo as mentioned in the question. Now x का स्क्वायर है, y का स्क्वायर है, so always square first. रेशियो को स्क्वायर कर दो. So you have x upon y, square on both the sides, so everything will get squared. Numerator denominator, numerator denominator, everything will get squared. So squaring on both the sides. So whenever you are given x square y square, x cube y cube, always square or cube according to the given thing. ठीक है, so उसके हिसाब से square या cube कर दो and then multiply with the number. Okay, so squaring on both the sides, it will become x square upon y square is equal to 16 का square will be 256 and 3 का square 9. Okay, this is what you will get. Now you need 3 with x square and 2 with y square, so you need 3 and here 2, so you need to multiply by 3 upon 2. Now you will multiply on both the sides, so let's multiply by 3 by 2 on both the sides. So multiplying by 3 by 2 on both the sides, you have to give reasons students. स्क्वायर किया रीज़न दो, डिवाइड किया रीज़न दो, मल्टीप्लाई किया रीज़न दो. ओके, सो 3/2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3/2 इंटू 256/9. Okay, I can cancel out 3 3s and 2 128s. So we'll get 3x square upon 2y square is equal to 128/3. Okay, now 3x square plus 2y square, that is numerator plus denominator, upon 3x square minus 2y square, that is numerator minus denominator. So using componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo, you will write down the full thing, I am not writing it down. By componendo dividendo, 3x square plus 2y square upon 3x square minus 2y square is equal to 128 plus 3 upon 128 minus 3. So write this entire thing again, I am not writing down. ठीक है, so it will be equal to 131 upon 125. So the value of this is equal to 131 upon 125. You will write down and box this. ठीक है, so it's very easy. Always keep in mind squaring वाला part पहले करना है and बाद में multiply by the number.